Hey everyone, we are back. It has been about 2 months, so some of you might have been wondering if I dropped off the face of the planet. Good news is no, actually. So, what have we been up to? As you can see behind me, I have some studio upgrades, which is pretty exciting. Kayla helped me set up all the acoustic foam behind me, and we've got new lights and new camera setup. So, that's pretty exciting. Also, we have been hard at work. We partnered with Unity, and Unity asked us if we'd be willing to make a new course for Unity ML agents that would go on their Learn platform. And so that was announced in a blog post not too long ago. It's not quite out yet, but it's coming soon. So we're pretty excited about that. That took most of my focus from a technical standpoint. And so it was really hard to work on any other projects during that time, especially since I have a full-time job during this time. So, I do all this during nights and weekends, so it's difficult to manage the full-time job and working on a contract and working on YouTube content and all that. So I'm excited to have completed that project. For the most part, we're still polishing things up, but and then getting back to YouTube and creating new content. So in addition to the YouTube content, we also need to update the AI flight course that many of you are aware of and many of you have taken. It was originally made for version 0.11, which was one of the beta versions that was available in November. A lot has changed since then. Some pretty significant updates to things like ray perception, some smaller updates to function names and things like that, but it's significant enough that it just got overwhelming to update the course, especially with updates coming every month or so. And so what we ended up doing was waiting until version 1.0 came out. Unity ML Agents 1.0 is out now and has been for a little while. So I've started working on that. I started recording new videos. And I thought it would be kind of a cool thing to share the first part of that course on YouTube. So look forward for that YouTube video coming out. It's not going to be related to the actual flight, but it's sort of an orientation of ML Agents 1.0. Sort of gives you an idea of how things fit together. So that's coming. Let me see. Do I have anything else to mention? I think that's it. So just wanted to check my list there. Look forward to new content coming soon, and make sure you comment below just to let us know if there's anything in particular that you're looking forward to with ML Agents. I've got a long list of ideas that I've been working on. Both Kayla and I are excited to get back into this, and thank you so much for tuning back in and sticking with us as we've been kind of MIA throughout the last couple months.